everybody. Are you ready to sing the hello song? You are. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Michelle. Hello. You. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you here. It's you, me, and... Oh, let's move this around. Ralph today. And he was in the song, and then he decided that he was feeling a little bit too shy. So he's gone and sat over there. Now, are you ready to do some more singing? Ralph, are you going to join in with our singing today? Oh, he's not sure about it. He's having a think. I thought we could do some patterns today. Would you like to do some patterns? You would? Good. But Ralphie, you can do some patterns? No, he's not joining in today at all. Okay, we're going to make clap your hands and wriggle your fingers. You could tap your paws and wriggle your nose if you'd like, Ralph. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and wriggle your fingers. Clap your hands and wriggle your fingers. Clap your hands and wriggle your fingers. Now we've made a pattern. Was that you clapping your paws, Ralphie? They made a big sound, didn't they? Let's do another pattern. Let's see. Oh, we could tap our heads and we could flap our wings. I'm going to pretend these are my chicken wings. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Tap your head and flap your wings. Tap your head and flap your wings. Tap your head and flap your wings. Now we've made a pattern. Oh, that was a lot of fun. And do you know something else that's got patterns? Different kinds of patterns, not patterns that you can see, but a pattern that you can hear. A pattern is in a story, and today the story is all about how you make a story. It's called Recipe for a Story by Ella Burfoot. How very exciting. It's a very good book. It's got the recipe or the pattern of how you make a story. Shall we read it together? Looks like it's got lots of fabulous characters in it. I can see an elephant holding a very colourful cupcake. And I think this must be the little girl that's in it with the most fabulous hair. And we've got a fairy and is it a crocodile or an alligator? I'm not sure. And, I think that must be the queen over there. Oh, and some gingerbread people. Let's find out what the recipe is to making a story. Let's open up the page. Oh, we're getting there. Oh, look at that. We're in the kitchen. I can tell we're in the kitchen because we've got kitchen utensils. So we've got a grater and we've got spatulas and things like that. And down here, we've got some jars of things and some jugs over there. Let's find out what... Oh, if you look inside the jar, what can you see? Letters. I haven't got letters in any of my jars. This is a very peculiar kitchen. I am going to cook a book. I'll break some thoughts into a cup. I'll beat them, whisk them, and mix them up. Wow, she's going to break some thoughts. She's had some ideas. Who could it be in my story? I've got a thought. It's going to be a dragon. I've got a thought. It's going to be a butterfly. I didn't know that's how you do stories. I'll weigh out the words just enough. Choosing the right ones can be tough. The small ones go into the pot. He, she, it, when, and what. Wow! I'll drop some big words from a height. Are you ready? Whee! Elephant, crocodile, dynamite. Wow. Oh, look at that. She's looking very proud of herself. Look at that smiley, happy face. How wonderful. Now that my story has begun, I'll cut out characters one by one. There are the characters. It's a gingerbready one, isn't it? Because she's rolled it all out or flattened it down. Oh, no, she's definitely rolled it out. There's a rolling pin. And then she's got her cutters in her hands and she's made, these little characters here. I wonder what they are. One's holding a wand. I wonder if they do something magical. And there's the elephant. Woo! Wowsy! Feelings, colours, sounds, a picture all add flavour to my mixture. That is a very busy page. Look at that. We have got colour down here, loud, noisy words, words of love, giggly word, preserve. That's like another word for jam. Sad words, even the sad words bow down, and zap. They are fabulous words. I'll add a watery word or two. I'll pour them in and stir them through. Look, there's lots and lots and lots of rain and stormy weather. Splish, splosh, splash, drip or sprinkle, glug and gurgle, squelch and tinkle. Tinkle, that's a glorious word. Tinkle, I like that. She's swimming. Can you see her swimming or paddling through? Oh no, I hope they don't fall out. Oh dear, hold on tight to that jug. Now, I'll put a lid on it. All her words and her ideas are in that big mixing bowl. Wait a while. She's waiting. Let it sit. Oh, now, when I make bread, I've got to let that sit because that's a dough and that's got to rise because it's got something in it that makes it go bubbly and all the air goes in and it rises. I don't normally let things that you roll out rise. Oh, saying that sometimes I do. That's not true. Sometimes I make breads that you roll out and then you let them rise a little bit. Oh, come on, Michelle, keep up. She's waiting. I wonder how long for. Wow. It's not until I roll it out that I find out what it's all about. Look at her, she's there. They're all her ideas. Can you see the crocodile and the little characters at the top? All her ideas. And now I'll lay it in the tin so my characters can jump in. I think she's making a pie. Do you think she's making a pie? Look, they're jumping off the knife. Like it's what are those things called that you jump off of? I forgot what they're called. A diving board. It went out of my head. It's my age, I can't help it. Next, the middle, the action, the filling into the pan without any spilling. Now all I'll do is simply add a spoon of good and a pinch of bad. I don't know if I want a pinch of bad. Oh, I hope it doesn't go wrong. Turn up the heat, let the bubbles quicken, and then my plot begins to thicken. Now, the plot is when the characters do things to make the story come to life. I wonder what the plot's going to be. Oh, look, can you see? She's dropping in. Plop, she's dropping in. Somebody looks like a story we read at preschool sometimes, actually, isn't she? Oh, and happy little teddy bears. Oh, and a knight on a horse. Oh, this is very exciting. Wow, look at that. Her kitchen is so much more exciting. Mine's just full of plain things like flour and cinnamon and ginger and stuff like that. Nothing like this on my shelves. She's got monster flakes and alphabet spaghetti, bows and frills, sweet peas, bitter beans, full stop, capital, I think that says letters, and dried prince's peas. Oh, I don't know if I want that. Let's read what she's going to say. Every sentence will taste much better if I add a full stop and a capital letter. But where did I put them? I've seen them myself. They're here in the cupboard on the top shelf. That's why she needs a very tall ladder to get to the very top. Lastly, the ending. I'll press it down and add decoration all around. Can you see? She's decorating it with hearts and things. I will glaze with happiness and leave it to cook. Then bake it, brown it, and I've finished my book. Oh, it's got some steam rising out of it because it's steaming hot. Oh, look. I'll turn the pages and I can tell that my recipe's turned out well. I've done everything that I need. Look, that's a very magical slice, isn't it? It's got stars and the sky inside of it. to make a story a delicious read. Look, what a glorious book that is. I think that might be one of my new favourite stories. Look at all those characters having an absolutely wonderful time. It looks like they're partying and enjoying themselves extremely well. Well, the recipe for a story. My goodness me, that's really inspired me to make my own stories. Maybe you could this afternoon or tomorrow or whenever you feel like it, you could make up your own story with your own characters and think of all the things you could mix in your pot. Well, Ralph has gone to sleep. Because it's time to say goodbye to all our friends. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye to all our friends. Singing I, yippee, yippee, I, yee-haw. Singing I, yippee, yippee, I, woo-hoo. Singing I, yippee, I, yippee, I, yippee, yippee, I. Goodbye, goodbye, Ralph. Bye-bye.